What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here. Now, before we get started, if you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed, because 99% of you are not subscribed, and that's a pretty bad number. So if you like this one, be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. So let's go ahead and open that up there and cut down here, and open her up. It's a smaller box. It really is just a smaller box. So let's open this one up. Let's see what's in this box. Oh, I can just pull this here. Clean. All right, so we can already see what this one's gonna be. Let's take a look right there. You'll notice some similar icons up here. There we are. We have the DOMYFAN S2 triple screen laptop adapter. So this is going to turn your laptop into a triple screen laptop. It connects to the back of the device, back of your laptop I should say, and adds two 1080p screens on either side. These connect through USB-C or through HDMI, or mini HDMI I should say. They have adapters that come with this as well. If we look at the back here, it's a little heavy. We can see the specifications. You can see that these are 14-inch screens, 16:9, full 1080p HD with USB-C input and output based on usage, and it comes with a bag, two HDMI to Type-C cables, two USB-C to C cables, two USB-A to C cables, and the host connector. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. So we can pull this top one off, and then here is the case. But I'm going to show you what's in the box before we jump into this one. So we've got a USB-C to C cable, another USB-C to USB-C cable. Everything in this box is going to come in twos because there are two screens. So you need to power both screens and you need to send video to both screens. So here we have two more USB-C cables. These are standard A to C cables. You can see right there. And then we have two HDMI to USB-C cables, and these are actually super useful. You can use that to connect any HDMI device into a USB-C port on the screen, which is super useful. Then, of course, we have our instruction manual, DOMYFAN S2 user guide, and a quick setup guide here. All right, so looking at the device itself, here's the bag for it. You can actually put all your cables into the bag in the front and pull out the handles on top. And you have a nice carrying case to take this out if you're going to use it like at an airport or at a coffee shop or something like that. You'll be able to just, slide it in and keep it as safe as your laptop. Now let's go ahead and pull the device out, and we're going to unwrap it, and then we're going to open up the top. Now the top is going to open to the right, and we have a pad here to keep it safe. I would recommend you keep that, because if you don't, not only does it kind of hit the top, but there's a space in between where things can fall and maybe scratch the screen. So I actually really like these devices foam that comes with them, because they're made perfectly to fit that and keep your screen safe. So I actually think this isn't something you want to throw away when you buy it. Keep that along with it. So we've done these types of screens before, so I'm actually going to show you how this works on the larger desk, because it's a little bit too hard to show you in hand how this works. It has to actually be installed. But yeah, that's it for this one. Thank you so much to all the sponsors, and thank you so much for watching. We'll have some more in-depth videos, unboxings on this channel, and reviews on the new Tech Savvy Reviews channel. So I'll see you there. Have a good one. Peace.